The question is, Andrea jogged 2 miles on Monday, 4 miles on Tuesday, and 8 miles on Wednesday. How far did she jog in all those 3 days? So we need to write for this one an expression. And I want to let you know that an expression, boys and girls, an expression is a combination of of numbers, just like this, without any equal signs, no equal signs in the expression. Okay? So let's see. So this represents Monday. She jogged 2 miles. 1 mile, 2 miles. Tuesday, she jogged 2 extra miles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this plus this, and then Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this. So what would it represent? We're definitely not multiplying, so B is eliminated. They're not telling me to duplicate this, so it's not, definitely not C. So what would be your 2 best choices? Okay, please, I want to see it like this in your notebook. Okay. And next page. So let's see. Sorry, we're going to the next page. We're going to do 34 and 35. I'm going to do 34 for you. You have to do 35. It's just very simple. We're just talking about squares. And this will come into we're going to use the terminology that we learned today about squared and cubes. How do we use them? Okay, so the problem says, Mark has a squared board that has size of 12 centimeters. Write an expression using an exponent for the area of the board. What is the area? So Mark has a square board. So that is what we need to begin with. His board is a square. There you go. It's a square that has the size of 12 centimeters. So we know that if a square has one size, 12 centimeters, what is this side? 12, right? What is this? 12. What is this? 12. Okay? Square has all equal size. Okay, let's go back to the question. A square board that has the size of 12 centimeters. Write an expression using an exponent. So now we have to write an expression using an exponent. So we're going to, this is a square again, 12 centimeters. Using an exponent. And remember, we use the word squared. Not only for representing this, but it has to represent the exponent. So our expression is going to be using an exponent, 12 to the second power, or 12 squared, okay, which is equal to 144 centimeters, okay? Now, the same logic that we use here, you have to apply it to the rancher that says his ranch is 36 miles, can make up 36 mi squared. If the ranch is the shape of a square, okay, again, the ranch, shape of a square again. I'm sorry, my square is not proportional. So now here they're giving you the answer, the total. They're not telling you that this side is 36. They're not saying that the side is 36. They're telling you his ranch is the size. Rancher says that his ranch is 36 miles long. If the ranch is the shape of a square, so if my answer is already 36, how can I use an expression using an exponent that will show 36? One number to the power of one number would give me 36. And this power preferably has to be a square. Okay? This power has to be a square preferably. Okay? So figure it out. I'm going to check tomorrow.